Today I alerted ALLG on my Twitter. I alerted it when it crossed this resistance area of 1213. It then ran all the way to 2391. So I'm going to tell you guys why exactly I took this trade. So this is an IPO, which is an initial public offering. So it's a new stock that got listed on the NASDAQ, aka the stock market. Um, So I had this as a critical resistance level that I knew if it passed this level, buyers would be interested and it could send the stock going up. And that is basically what happened. So let's go on a lower time frame. So as you can see here, my resistance level of 1213, I got an alert. I had set this a while ago, and it's my resistance level is right here because you can see right here, this is where it rejected. And I knew if it was going to come back up to this level, there had to be some sort of strength to it. And if it crossed it, then yes, there's these other resistance levels here and here, which I would be looking for rejections and cut my position quickly. But I know once it reaches up to here, it's showing some sort of a good amount of strength. So I got in my position and it ran hard. I did not hold all the way to $23. I sold around $15. So I got in around 12. I sold it at 15 something. Yeah, left a lot of money on the table. That's just how trading goes. You're never going to catch a full piece of the pie, and you don't need to create wealth. Too many people are holding on for huge winners when you could just play it safe and take smaller winners, which is still a good amount of money, over and over and over and over again, instead of always waiting for the home run and often getting disappointed. So let's go on a lower time frame. So as you can see, once across my resistance level, look at all the volume that came in, way above average. So it's pretty obvious a move was coming. They call this volume price analysis. It's when the price starts spiking up paired with volume. If a stock is spiking up in price without volume, it's suspicious. It's known as an anomaly, aka being up artificially, and you could expect it to possibly dump on you. So I always look for confirming volume with moves over my level breaks. So as you can see here, 1213 is about the level break. It rejected here, it held here, rejected here. You see, when you make resistance levels, it's you want it to touch the end of wicks and bodies, as many as possible. And that's basically how you get a good resistance line. I mean, I could have done another resistance line right here. You see that? Boom, boom. But I didn't need to. I mean, I had my eye on that area. I knew if it got to this area with a lot of volume, it'll probably just likely blow through this next one. And then after this resistance area right here, and didn't even stall at these areas. Look, it just went through. I mean, let's look at the 1 minute to see a better view of that. Okay, a little hesitation, but as long as it was holding my level, I was staying in the position. Sometimes you got to give it a little room to run. You got to follow your plan and have your stop loss in place. Um, and it ran hard. It ran hard, and I sold like around here. And if I held, I could have maybe got back in later, but hey, that's just trading. But back to the 15 minute. So yeah, I mean, once it breaks these three levels, it's all smooth sailing right here. There's literally no resistance. So this thing could keep on going up if people keep buying the stock to keep going up. Stocks don't just go up themselves. It's people buying the stock that pushes it up. It's always a battle between the buyers and the sellers. If more people are selling than buying, the stock comes down. If more people are buying than selling, the stock goes up. And that's the case right here. More people were buying, so it went up. More people were selling, so it started to go down. More people were buying, so it started to go up again. And then more people selling it started to go down. You get the picture. Um, if this could get back up to here, 2141 or so, and break it, you could expect possibly another run for this. Um, but it can always change on a dime. Big sellers come in, this thing is shut down. That's why it's always good to take in profits, lock in profits when you're up a good amount, because you never know. And as the move's going up, lock in maybe half and then the other half. Um, so that's basically the rundown of ALG. Um, I basically look for charts that don't have much resistance to break through. So once it breaks through, the risk reward is in my favor. You have unlimited potential upside, and I would cut it around here. Maybe give it a little room, 1186 or something. Maybe even 1132 if I'm really, because that's a good strong level. Um, that could be a stop loss. You want your stop loss to be an area of support to protect you, because if you don't have any support, the thing could just come crashing down and you lose a lot of money. Areas of support for stop losses are crucial to protect yourself. So that's it, guys. That is why I traded ALLG. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll keep you posted with more videos coming soon.